God damn it, how y'all motherfuckers doing? I'm back. It's motherfucking early, so this is an emergency PSA. You motherfuckers is out there that's tuning into my shit. Keep looking. Keep fucking looking. God damn it, I love it. But anyway, you guys wondering, the fuck is we gonna talk about this time? It's got to be important. That's an emergency. It's called No Fuck That. You motherfuckers probably wondering, what the fuck is he talking about? What the fuck does that mean? It means, no, fuck that. For instance, you motherfuckers who got something to say, and you bottling it up in here, in your chest cavities, you say it, motherfucker. Stop. Fuck that! You say it. And you motherfucker, I hate when motherfuckers is holding shit back and want to break the news at the most unopportune motherfucking times. The fuck is your problem? And you bitches who got a fart? Fart. Break motherfucking wind. Stop trying to be cute. Fuck that! You fucking fart if you got a fart. Don't fuck up your colon because you got a fart. You got a burp? You fucking burp. Yes, bitch, burp. Let that shit ride, motherfucker. You got a booger in your motherfucking nose? Get that shit out. Stop trying to be fucking cute. You gotta blow your nose, you got snot boogers and shit? Fuck that! You fucking blow your nose, goddammit. If I'm going back to these motherfuckers who holding the shit in, the fuck are you holding it in for? It's only making things fucking worse. Fuck that! You fucking say it. Fuck are you doing?